Do you work in a testing lab? Would you like to know how to save time and money and yet be more efficient in your job? Do you want to know how to cut on analysis costs with smart and customized solutions according to your needs? Then subscribe right now to our BUCHI Labortechnic free webinar dedicated to chemical testing laboratories. We will cover up food and environmental analysis, sample preparation, how to save on reagents, time, and on waste disposal costs. Explore with us the benefits of freeze drying for sample preparation, the advantages of the analyte protection sensor for your sample extraction, and the secrets on how to save on reagents during Kjeldahl distillations. Don't miss out these opportunities. Subscribe today, right now, and stay with us for this groundbreaking event.